The 3-minute node. What's up, noders? Welcome to the 3-minute node. Today, we're fixing the most common stable diffusion problem, low-res hands and blurry details. You need a high-resolution fix, but you don't need a complicated pixel upscaling mess. It's 2K samplers, one tiny node, and 0 wasted time. Let's build it. Section 1, the base image. Every workflow starts the same. We need a checkpoint loader, your positive and negative clip text encodes, and an empty latent image. Quick note, we set the clip set last layer to -2 because of this particular checkpoint. However, we are not going to cover that topic in this short video. Empty latent is key. We're starting small, 512 wide by 768 high. This is your low-resolution base. Now, connect these to your first K sampler. This is your standard text-to-image generation. Set the denoise to 1.0. Keep your steps low, say 12 steps. We are just sketching the idea here. Pro tip, decode this first sample with a VAE decode and preview image just to see your starting point. It will look rough. That is fine. Section 2, the latent upscale bridge. Here is the magic node, latent upscale. Take the output of your first K sampler and pipe it directly into this new node. Inside the latent upscale node, simply set your desired final resolution. We started at 512 by 768, so let's set it to 1024 by 1536 for a clean 2x upscaling. Leave the method on nearest exact. It is fast and effective for this step. This node is not converting to a pixel image. It is just stretching the compressed latent data. This is what makes it so much faster than the alternative methods. Section 3, the detail pass. Time for the final detail pass, K sampler 2. Connect the new upscaled latent from the latent upscale node into the latent image input of this second K sampler. Your positive and negative prompts stay the same. The most important setting here is denoise. You are not regenerating the whole image. You are asking the model to fix and detail the stretched base. A value of 0.5 is the sweet spot. Too high and the composition changes, too low and it stays blurry. Set your steps a little higher than the first K sampler, like 14 steps, and hit generate. And that's it. Your image is now sharp, detailed, and ready. We bypassed the slow VAE encode decode steps and got a high-resolution final image in one clean, minimal graph. Latent upscale is the simple, high-speed, high-resolution fix you need. If this helped you ditch the bullshit and streamline your workflow, hit that like and subscribe button. Check the description for this full ComfyUI JSON. For reference, the generation time for this entire process is about 20 to 25 seconds on my RTX 5080, and that's the node, all open source. No filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.